Hi, welcome to the review with Mahash. आज जिस फिल्म का हम रिव्यू करने जा रहे हैं उसका नाम है सुल्तान. Okay guys, everybody knows that Salman Khan is probably one of the most problematic actors to grace the big screen in Indian cinema. He's definitely got a lot of conflicting history, and as a feminist, it's not easy for me to like his films. Even though it's really easy for me to like his films, I have to figure that out. Salman Khan की जो ये फिल्म है, it's fast speeding towards 300 crores. I guess शायद अब तक क्रॉस भी कर गई होगी. Unfortunately, सलमान खान की फिल्मों में बहुत ज्यादा सेंस नहीं होता है. For example, I hated Kick, and I found Prem Ratan Dhan Payo very ridiculous, even though I went to see it like so many times. What is this thing? Why do people like these movies, and why do people hate him but still love him? And not just Salman Khan, but there are so many other movies in Bollywood that don't make sense at all, but they're big business grossers. The truth of the matter is that it's massy, and whatever's massy sells. जब कोई चीज massy होती है, जब कोई चीज public appeal के लिए बनी होती है, तो उसमें बहुत ज्यादा logic और बहुत ज्यादा philosophy आप नहीं डाल सकते, because average IQ जो है बहुत सारी deep logic और कॉन्वोल्यूटेड आइडियाज को समझने के लिए नहीं बना हुआ. और एवरेज आईक्यू में बेसिक जोक्स, रेसिस्ट जोक्स, सेक्सिस्ट जोक्स वही अपील करते हैं. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली दैट इज द सैड ट्रूथ. वेदर वी लाइक इट, वेदर वी डोंट वांट टू सी इट हैपन, दैट्स अनदर फैक्ट ऑल टुगेदर, बट इट एग्जिस्ट्स एंड दैट्स हाउ इट इज. इसको चेंज करने के लिए बहुत कुछ किया जा सकता है. ऑफ कोर्स वी शुड बी कंटिन्यूअसली सपोर्टिंग मूवीज व्हिच don't make big numbers but of course have powerful messages, and we should try our best कि वो movies भी आवाम तक किसी तरह पहुंचे. पिछले 10-15 years में तो बहुत ज्यादा चेंज आ गया है. अगर आप 90s की मूवीज से बॉलीवुड को कंपेयर करें तब तो बहुत ज्यादा चेंज आया है. प्रोटैगनिस्ट में भी बहुत चेंज आया है. अगर आप सलमान खान की ही फिल्मों से कंपैरिजन कर लें पिछली वाली, तो सलमान खान की मूवीज में जो हीरोइन होती थी वो स्ट्रॉन्ग दिखाते थे, आउटस्पोकन और बोल्ड भी होती थी. वो शी वाज नॉट ऑलवेज द यंग प्रिटी दोशीजा हु वाज जस्ट गोइंग टू बैट हर eyelashes at Salman, but at the same time she would be okay with a lot of crap that he would do, and he of course would be the main person in the film. What's good about Sultan per se, or what's good about Anushka's role, for which she's getting a lot of flack, especially from critics and feminists, which I understand, but at the same time I understand the conflicts and I understand the role as well. Sometimes a lot of women who have made these questionable career choices, they have chosen the man over the career, the man over themselves, they do face this conflict. But you have to understand something. When women do this, and that's what this film pictures and encapsulates very beautifully, that when women do this, they pay a great cost. And in this case, spoiler alert, the cost was their newborn child. That was a barrier so huge that they could not breach it for so long, which is what led to the difference between Sultan and Arfa for such a long period of time in the story. The first achievement of this film is, of course, we're talking about a story in a Salman Khan movie. The second great achievement is we're talking about what went on in her head, what went on in the female protagonist set, which is also something that we couldn't have said about a Salman Khan film just a few films ago. So with Bajrangi Bhaijaan, with Sultan, I think Salman Khan has made a lot of progress, probably, hopefully, as a human being also. Of course, he says stupid things all the time, and nobody can stand behind it, and nobody can justify it in any way, and anybody who's doing that is a complete idiot. But like I said, I think the flack Anushka is getting a little bit extreme, and I think that from feminists as well, you've got to understand the choices different women make without putting them down, and without making them think that they haven't made the right thing. And sometimes the situation, the life, the point in their lives that they're in, it allows them to make certain choices, and it disallows them to make certain choices, and we can't change that overnight. I think the rest of the actors were so good. The music was amazing, and I think that this film definitely was one of Salman's best. Tell me how you liked the film. I really liked it. What else do you have to add to this discussion about Anushka playing the role of Arfa? I found it really interesting, and though there were some questionable moments in her storyline, for example, gold mil gaya na, usko dekho wo kitna khush hai when she sees Sultan celebrating. I mean, that's a little bit too much even for a girl like her. I think the fact that she was able to put her point across in such a strong manner, in which she said that maa ka dard baap se zyada hota hai. So these things, I think, they make her role far more stronger than people are giving her credit for. Thank you for watching. Click on subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.